To carry a ladder, place one hand at the shoulder height rung and the other hand at the hip height rung. Lift and move the ladder whilst it's in a vertical position. Do not place both hands on the same rung. This gives low stability and can cause injury to yourself or others. Picking ladders are slightly curved. The curve should be facing towards you. Do not use a ladder with the curve facing away from you. Position the ladder on strong branches of the tree. Move the ladder around until it feels secure. Do not place the ladder in between trees or on weak branches. If the soil is raised or mounded along the tree line, do not position the ladder so it is on an angle. Always position the ladder so the rungs are level to the horizon. On mounded plantings, platform ladders should also not be positioned on an angle. Position platform ladders straight onto the tree. Be careful of not dragging irrigation lines when moving the ladder around trees. If it is moved, put it back to its place. Always lift the ladder over irrigation lines. Do not climb up ladders with bags near filled with fruit. It's heavy work and increases the risk of you falling off the ladder. Climb up to the top of the tree with an empty bag, pick fruit and work your way down the tree filling the bag. Do not stand on one side of the ladder and do not lean over too far. Place feet evenly on the center line of the ladder. Only pick fruit within a safe reach. Do not pick on bins or any other elevated objects. There should always be 3 points of contact with the ladder. 1 hand and 2 feet. As a guide, the hips should be lower than the top rung of the ladder. Do not stand at a height where you only have 2 points of contact, or your hips are higher than the top rung of the ladder. Do not use ladders that are bent, broken, or cracked. Only use a ladder that is not damaged. If your ladder is damaged, report it to the supervisor and use an undamaged ladder.